Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you read in the title and saw in the thumbnail, we are decluttering and cleaning out my beauty room. But usually when YouTubers say that, they're going through their old makeup, sorting out things they want to get rid of. We have a bigger problem going on here, okay? My beauty room, or my wardrobe, dressing room, has become a catch-all the last few months. Boxes, packages, items from recent beauty hauls and fashion hauls, and I've taken a few trips, and basically I just unpacked what I wanted to throw in the suitcase when I got back, threw everything back in here because I'm losing space for everything and don't know where to put it, and then just took out something else new to put in the suitcase. I have bought so many boots in the last few months or half a year. My whole organization of my boots is just growing over like weeds. I don't know what to do with it. I have to find more space. I have no more space up there anymore for all my collection of Celine bags, my tie bags that I used to keep stored up there. So I have to find somewhere for them. And yeah, we have to set up my lighting again because I had just removed it because my mother was here for a whole month and this was her room. She slept on that sleeper sofa back there, and no, I did not make my mother stay in this horrible hoarder's room. Everything was pristine, organized, and clean then. But that's been a few months ago. She was here in February. Last few months, I have not been filming a lot, as you guys have noticed, because my husband and I, we dealt with 2 deaths in our close vicinity of our family, and I had to get eye surgery. But that is a subject for another video. I'm gonna do a whole get ready with me, let's chat, get you caught up, explain everything. But I have to get this room cleaned up to be able to film not only that video, but a lot of other videos. So, let's get started. You guys, if I disappear in this room, please call the rescue unit because I could probably be lost in here a couple of days. Oh, scheiße, I'm gonna break my damn neck. Guys, look at these gorgeous boots. Ah, I can't wait to do a styling video for you guys with them. I can't wait to wear them. Coming soon. Okay, I think I need to find something to put all my new makeup in before I put it in with the other makeup, because maybe I want to do some videos with you guys on that makeup, so I need to keep all the new separated. I have to find something. guys, believe it or not, everything is cleaned out. My lighting is set back up. I am now gonna pull down all my boots because I want to see which ones stand on their own, which ones fold over, because the ones that fold over I probably can get in my front shoe closet. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch the video. This side, whatever. I'll leave it up here as a tag and also the thumbnail pick, because I really organized a beautiful shoe closet on a budget and limited space. But I'm seriously thinking about putting another very narrow cabinet here with pull-out components, as they call them by IKEA or IKEA, you guys say, similar to the same ones actually that are in my shoe closet, to put the boots that are really tall and maybe my purses. So I just want to see what I'm working with here. So I just need to get the ladder and start getting things down. Okay guys, these are the boots that I believe I stuffed them out. They can stand up on their own. So I am thinking about getting some cabinet here so I can put them in the bottom layer. Now the Yeezys here, the clear plastic ones, I'm probably going to put them back in the box on top of the cabinet because they are a little bit tall, and if I could just have one level that ends here and then the rest of the levels for my purses. Yeah, so my Balenciagas, not all, but my favorite Paris, Texas boots. Okay, let's put the Yeezys back in the box. And here are all my tie bags laying up here in the tie bag, and then one smaller bag that's not a tie bag. But the other ones, yeah, if I can find a place for them. I don't want them up on there on the top of the cabinet again. So then I think if I buy 3 shelves for the new cabinet, I should be able to get everything in there, boots and bags. And I was able to get some of my more slouchier boots up here in my closet. I don't know if you can see them, my Givenchy suede ones, 2 other pair of Paris, Texas. There were the Alexander McQueen's. They're thigh highs, but they can fold over. Yeah, so my shoe closet is getting pretty full, but now at least I don't have everything stacked on top of my cabinet. Hi guys, okay, basically I'm finished for today. I am just on the IKEA website looking for what I want. Now let's go into this one here. This is the one that's a little bit, it's not so deep. It's only 35 centimeters deep. That's what this cabinet is here. And don't want it in 100, but I had seen somewhere that they have it in a 75 right here. I think that's what I'm gonna get, because 75 centimeters, I could fit a whole meter in there, but it just, I think it'd be a little bit too crowded. I need to leave a little bit of space from the wall there to come to the light switch, and I don't want it just flush totally with the table. So I think I'm going to get this one, only 201 high. I don't want it too high. And yeah, 75. Okay, put this in my corp. Okay, the complement. No, not that one. Where are the complement ones I want? Those are just regular Bowden. Let me go back and see if I can find the right things I need. I'm gonna look for packs. Einrichtungen for packs. Here we go. Okay. These are the ones I want. These right here. The pull-outs. But I want them in here. 75, 35 deep. Yeah, I think those would be good. I think I only need 3, but I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 of them. Because I had some extra ones last time, because you know IKEA, sometimes something comes and has a little bit of a deformity in it or something like that. So let's go here into my corp. And here, the complement. Let's do 4 of them. Package. Okay, that's only gonna cost me $155. I'm a little worried about not having doors to keep the dust off of my bags and everything, but they only make the doors 50. So either I have to have a smaller one, 50, or 2 doors like this one, because that one's 100 centimeters. They don't make the doors for the 75, so. And probably with the door to the room and then the cabinet behind it with doors, if I had doors there, it probably would be too crowded. So it's probably okay that I just can pull them out and get to what I want. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait a little bit to edit this film so I can go ahead and when the new cabinet arrives, I can build that together and then arrange that and decorate that. So the end picture of my newly organized beauty room, pray to God it stays this way, you guys will get a complete picture of it. Okay, so it's gonna be a couple of days for me, but just a couple of seconds for you. I'll see you right back. Hi guys, I ended up canceling that first order and going ahead and getting a 1 meter cabinet, because after seeing how many boots I had and measuring the bags, I knew the cabinet, the 75 centimeter cabinet, would not be wide enough. But it ended up working out for the best, because then I could get doors, and yeah, so now we're assembling everything together.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's a couple of after shots of my new cabinet with my boots and all my purses. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and please pray for me that my beauty room stays organized and clean. And as always, yours truly, Heart Macon. Bye.